If you're over 50 and tired of feeling invisible in your wardrobe, these 10 blouses will transform how the world sees you and how you see yourself. I'm about to show you exactly how to look decades younger without spending a fortune. I've spent years helping women like you discover what truly works for our age and lifestyle. Today I'm sharing my top 10 blouse discoveries that will change how you approach getting dressed. But first, let me tell you about the one blouse mistake that's aging you by 10 years right now. Number 7 on my list will absolutely surprise you. It's probably hanging in your closet, but you're wearing it all wrong. And wait until you see number 4. It costs less than your monthly coffee budget, but delivers luxury looks that rival designer pieces. In the next few minutes, you'll discover not just which blouses to buy, but exactly how to style them for maximum impact. I'll show you the 3 styling secrets that make any blouse instantly more flattering, the color psychology that makes you look radiant, and my exclusive rule of thirds that creates an hourglass silhouette at any age. Before we dive in, if you're serious about looking and feeling your absolute best after 50, hit that subscribe button for EverWise older women right now. I share game-changing style and confidence tips every single week that you won't find anywhere else. Now, let's transform your wardrobe together. Let's start with that aging mistake I mentioned. Right now you might be wearing blouses that are too loose, thinking they're flattering. This is the biggest style trap for women over 50. Oversized blouses don't hide your figure. They hide your femininity and make you look older and heavier than you are. The psychology behind this is fascinating. When we feel uncertain about our changing bodies, we instinctively reach for bigger clothes. But loose fabric creates visual bulk and eliminates your natural waistline, the very thing that creates that youthful, elegant silhouette we're after. Margaret, one of my 67-year-old clients, came to me drowning in baggy blouses. Within one session, we swapped them for properly fitted pieces, and she told me she felt 20 years younger instantly. The right fit doesn't reveal everything. It reveals your best self. Blouse number 1 is the foundation of every elegant woman's wardrobe, but it's not just any white button-down. I'm talking about the perfect white blouse that costs under $45 and looks like it belongs in a luxury boutique. Here's what makes this blouse special. It's cut from a cotton blend that doesn't wrinkle, has subtle stretch for comfort, and features a slightly fitted silhouette that skims your body without clinging. The collar is structured enough to frame your face beautifully, but soft enough to feel feminine. Now here's the styling secret that changes everything. Never button this blouse all the way up. Leave the top 2 buttons undone to create a flattering V-neck line that lengthens your neck and draws attention to your décolletage. This creates an instant lifting effect that takes years off your appearance. For daytime elegance, pair it with dark wash jeans and a blazer. For evening sophistication, tuck it into a midi skirt with heels. The versatility of this one piece will surprise you. It works for coffee dates, business meetings, and dinner parties. The color psychology here is powerful. White reflects light onto your face, creating a natural glow that minimizes fine lines and brightens your complexion. It's like having a built-in filter that makes you look more radiant and youthful. Blouse number 2 is where we add some drama. A jewel-toned silk look blouse that costs under $60, but looks like a $300 designer piece. I'm specifically recommending deep emerald, sapphire blue, or rich burgundy. These colors are psychological powerhouses for women over 50. Deep jewel tones create contrast against mature skin, making you look more vibrant and alive. They also convey confidence and sophistication, dupes qualities that never go out of style. The fabric here is crucial. Look for a polyester blend that mimics silk's drape and shine without the dry cleaning costs. The best versions have a subtle sheen that catches light beautifully and creates that luxurious appearance we're after. Here's my styling formula. Pair this with black pants or a black skirt for maximum impact. The contrast creates a striking look that's both professional and elegant. Add simple gold jewelry. The warm metal complements the rich color beautifully. For women with silver hair, these jewel tones create stunning contrast that makes your hair color look intentional and chic, rather than simply aging. It's about owning your silver and making it part of your signature style. Blouse number 3 I call the Miracle Worker. A wrap-style blouse that flatters every single body type and costs under $50. This is the blouse that creates an hourglass silhouette, even if you weren't born with one. The wrap design is genius for women over 50. It creates a defined waistline exactly where you want it, provides adjustable fit as your body changes throughout the day, and the V neckline is universally flattering. The way it drapes across your midsection disguises any areas you're self-conscious about, while highlighting your best features. Here's the secret to wearing it perfectly. Tie the wrap at your natural waist, not your hip. This creates the most flattering proportions, and gives you that coveted hourglass shape. The fabric should skim your body, snug enough to show your shape, loose enough to be comfortable. Color-wise, I recommend starting with navy black or a rich plum. These colors are sophisticated, slimming and incredibly versatile. You can dress this blouse up with dress pants and heels for dinner, or down with jeans and flats for weekend errands. The psychological impact of this blouse is remarkable. When you look in the mirror and see that defined waist and flattering silhouette, your confidence soars. You stand taller, smile brighter, and radiate the kind of self-assurance that's absolutely magnetic. Now for blouse number 4. The one that costs less than your monthly coffee budget, but delivers luxury looks. I found this gem for under $35, and it's become one of my most recommended pieces. This is a crepe-style blouse with subtle texture that adds visual interest without being overwhelming. The fabric has enough body to hold its shape beautifully, and the cut is slightly relaxed through the body with a gentle taper at the waist. What makes this blouse special is the attention to detail. It has covered buttons that look expensive, subtle pleating at the shoulders that adds sophisticated interest, and 3/4 sleeves that are universally flattering for women of all ages. The 3/4 sleeve is particularly brilliant for women over 50. It covers the upper arm area that many women become self-conscious about, while showing off your forearms and allowing you to showcase beautiful bracelets or watches. It's the perfect compromise between coverage and style. This blouse works beautifully for travel because it doesn't wrinkle and can be dressed up or down effortlessly. Pack it with a pair of black pants, and you're ready for anything from museum visits to nice dinners. The key to styling this piece is keeping everything else simple. Let the blouse be the star. Pair it with solid colored bottoms and minimal jewelry for maximum elegance. Blouse number 5 is what I call the confidence booster. A printed blouse that adds personality to your wardrobe without overwhelming your natural beauty. The right print can actually make you look younger and more vibrant. I'm specifically recommending subtle floral or geometric print in colors that complement your skin tone. For women with warm undertones, think prints with coral, peach, or warm blues. For cool undertones, look for prints with true reds, cool blues, or purples. The psychology of prints is fascinating. Small to medium-sized prints are most flattering because they don't compete with your face or make you appear larger. They add visual interest and personality, while maintaining sophistication. The cut of this blouse is crucial. Look for one with a slight A-line shape that skims over your midsection. The print will naturally camouflage any areas you're less confident about, while the shape ensures you still look polished and put together. Here's my styling secret. Always pair printed blouses with solid colored bottoms. This creates balance and ensures you look sophisticated rather than busy. If the print has multiple colors, pull one of those colors for your bottoms to create a cohesive look. This blouse is perfect for social occasions, where you want to look approachable and friendly while still maintaining elegance. It's conversation starting without being an attention-grabbing in the wrong way. Blouse number 6 addresses a concern I hear constantly from women over 50. Can I still wear sleeves? The answer is absolutely yes, with the right piece and styling approach. This sleeveless blouse features a higher neckline and slightly thicker straps that provide excellent coverage while still being feminine and elegant. The key is choosing one with enough structure in the bodice to provide support and a flattering shape. The fabric here is important. Look for a ponte knit or structured woven that holds its shape beautifully. Avoid anything too thin or clingy. You want a blouse that skims your body and creates a smooth silhouette. For women who are self-conscious about their arms, this blouse is designed to be layered. It works beautifully under a cardigan, blazer, or lightweight jacket that you can remove when you're feeling confident and keep on when you want more coverage. The styling versatility is incredible. Tuck it into a pencil skirt for work, pair it with wide-leg pants for weekend elegance, or layer it under a blazer for business meetings. The higher neckline keeps it appropriate for any professional setting. Color-wise, I recommend starting with classic navy, elegant black, or sophisticated burgundy. These colors are universally flattering and work with everything in your existing wardrobe. Here's blouse number 7. The one that's probably already in your closet, but you're wearing it all wrong. It's that basic long-sleeve tee or lightweight sweater that you've been treating too casually. The secret is in the styling and mindset shift. Take that simple, well-fitting long-sleeve top and start treating it like the elegant piece it can be. The key is in the fabric. You want something with a slight stretch, good drape, and enough weight to hang beautifully. Here's how to transform it. First, make sure the fit is right. It should skim your body without being tight or loose. Second, pay attention to the neckline. A slight scoop or V-neck is more flattering than a crew neck for most women over 50. The transformation happens with your styling choices. Instead of wearing it with casual pants and sneakers, try it with dress pants and heels. Add a statement necklace or scarf. Layer it under a blazer or cardigan. Suddenly, this basic piece becomes the foundation for elegant, sophisticated outfits. The psychology here is powerful. When you start seeing basic pieces as potentially elegant, you expand your wardrobe exponentially without spending a penny. It's about shifting your perspective and approaching your existing clothes with fresh eyes. This approach saves money and reduces decision fatigue. You'll start seeing outfit possibilities everywhere in your closet. Once you master this mindset shift, blouse number 8 introduces texture as a tool for creating visual interest and sophistication. I'm talking about a blouse with subtle textural elements, perhaps a jacquard weave, subtle ribbing, or delicate lace details. Texture is incredibly powerful for women over 50 because it adds dimension and richness to your look without requiring bold colors or dramatic silhouettes. It's a sophisticated way to create visual interest that feels age-appropriate and elegant. The key is choosing textures that enhance rather than overwhelm. Subtle ribbing along the neckline or sleeve, delicate lace inserts, or a jacquard pattern that's tone-on-tone rather than contrasting. These details whisper sophistication rather than shouting for attention. This type of blouse works beautifully for special occasions when you want to look polished but not overdressed. It's perfect for dinner parties, theater evenings, or any time you want to elevate your style without looking like you're trying too hard. The styling approach is to keep everything else simple and let the texture be the star. Pair it with solid colored bottoms in coordinating tones, minimal jewelry, and classic accessories. The texture provides a visual interest that you don't need busy patterns or multiple colors. Blouse number 9. It is what I call the modern classic, a contemporary take on timeless style that bridges the gap between traditional elegance and current trends. This might be a classic silhouette in an updated color, or a traditional color in a fresh modern cut. The beauty of this approach is that it keeps you looking current and stylish without falling into the trap of trying to dress too young. It's about finding pieces that honor classic principles of good fit and quality, while incorporating just enough contemporary elements to feel fresh. For example, this might be a classic button-down in a soft blush pink instead of traditional white, or a traditional silk look blue, with slightly updated proportions. Perhaps a bit more relaxed through the body, or with sleeves that hit at just the right spot on your arm. The key is subtlety. You want pieces that feel fresh and current without being obviously trendy. Trends come and go, but style is eternal. These pieces will look as good in 5 years as they do today. This blouse type is perfect for women who want to stay current with fashion but in an age-appropriate and sophisticated way. It shows that you're paying attention to style evolution while maintaining your own elegant aesthetic. Blouse number 10. It's your investment piece. The one that costs a bit more but delivers exceptional value through quality, versatility, and longevity. I'm talking about spending around $8100 for a piece that will serve you beautifully for years. This is typically a silk or high-quality silk blend blouse in a classic style and toneless color. The construction is superior, better seaming, more durable buttons, superior fabric that maintains its shape and color wash after wash. The fit of an investment piece should be impeccable. This might be the one blouse you consider having tailored to ensure it fits you perfectly. When a blouse fits beautifully, it elevates everything else you wear with it. The color should be something you love and that works with multiple pieces in your wardrobe. Classic colors like cream, navy, or soft gray are safe choices. But if you have a signature color that you love and that loves you back, this is the place to invest in it. The styling possibilities are endless with a truly well-made blouse. It can anchor in business outfits, elevate casual looks, and serve as the foundation for elegant evening ensembles. The cost per wear becomes incredibly reasonable when you consider how often you'll reach for this piece. Before we wrap up, let me share the 3 styling secrets that make any blouse instantly more flattering. First, the rule of 30s. Create visual interest by layering pieces in varying lengths. A shorter blouse, medium length cardigan, and longer necklace, for example. Second, the power of proportions. If you're wearing a looser blouse, balance it with more fitted bottoms and vice versa. This creates visual harmony and prevents your outfit from looking sloppy or overwhelming. Third, the confidence factor. The way you wear a piece matters more than the piece itself. Stand tall, smile genuinely, and remember that confidence is your best accessory. When you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows. These 10 blouses will transform not just your wardrobe, but how you feel about yourself every single day. Remember, style isn't about age. It's about knowing what works for you and wearing it with confidence. All the links to these blouses are in the description below, organized by price point to make shopping easy. I've also included sizing guides and styling tips for each piece. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs some style inspiration. And don't forget to subscribe to EverWise Older Women for more confidence-boosting style tips every week. Remember, you deserve to look and feel absolutely magnificent at every age. These blouses are just the beginning of your style transformation. Until next time, stay elegant, stay confident, and remember, your best years are still ahead of you.